Hello and welcome to another English grammar lesson on this channel. Today's topic is good in versus good at. These two phrases often confuse students and many English speakers. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you when to use them in sentences to avoid grammar mistakes, okay? Use good in when you are referring to a person's performance in something. It can be performance in a role or in a situation. So good in is generally used to talk about performance of a person in anything, okay? Use good at when you are talking about one's ability or a person's skill in doing something. It's all about techniques too. So, good at is used to talk about one's ability, skill, or technique in doing something. Now, let's answer these questions. As we do that, you will understand better, okay? 1. She is very good blank mathematics. Here, if we say she is very good at mathematics, it means we're referring to the person having the skill to solve mathematical problems, okay? We can also say she is very good in mathematics. That means we are referring to the person's performance in mathematics as a subject. So if what you have in mind is to say that the person has the skill or the ability to solve mathematical problems very well, then use at. But if what you have in mind is to say that the person performs very well in mathematics as a subject, then use in, okay? 2. The student is good blank class discussion. Here we are talking about the student being very good when it comes to class discussion. So it's all about the student's performance in class discussion. So for performance, use in. The student is very good in class discussions. 3. I am not very good blank singing. Now, whenever you see ing verb, you must use good at, okay? You don't need to think about it. Good at is the correct answer whenever you have ing verb, okay? So this goes with ing verb. 4. They are good blank teamwork. Here we are talking about the people performing very well when it comes to teamwork. So it's all about performance in a group. That means in is the correct answer. They are good in teamwork. 5. He is good blank football. Football requires skill to be very good. So at is the correct word. He is good at football. 6. She is good blank her job as a manager. Here we're referring to a person doing very well in her role as a manager. So it's all about her performance as a manager. So for performance, use good in. She is good in her job as a manager. She plays her role very well. That's what it means. 7. The teacher is good blank explaining lessons. Here we have ing verb and it's all about skill. You need to have the skill or ability to be able to explain lessons very well. So at is the correct answer. The teacher is good at explaining lessons. 8. He is good blank leadership roles. Here we have roles. Whenever you're talking about roles, you should be referring to one's performance in that role. Okay, so for performance, use good in. He is good in leadership roles. 9. He was excellent and very good blank that role. Here we still have role. Anytime you have role, it's all about performance. So in is the correct answer. He was excellent and very good in that role. 10. I'm not good blank fixing cars. Here we have ing verb, and this is talking about having the skill or ability to fix cars. Therefore, at is the correct word. I'm not good at fixing cars. 11. The actor was really good blank the movie. Here we have actor and we have movie. So it's all about the role the person plays. Okay, so this is about one's performance. So for performance, use in. 12. I was never good blank sports in school. Whenever you have sports, you are referring to a person's skill. Okay, it requires skill to be good here. All right, so the correct answer is what? At. I was never good at sports in school. 13. I'm good blank English but weak in chemistry. Here we have in this part of the sentence. That means we are referring to the performance of a person in chemistry. So if we are referring to performance in chemistry here, it means this part of the sentence should also talk about performance in English. Remember what we said here? If you're referring to performance in mathematics, use in. If it's about the skill or the techniques in solving mathematical problems, use at. So since this part talks about performance in chemistry, here should also talk about performance in English. That means in is the correct word. I'm good in English but weak in chemistry. 14. She is good blank playing the piano. What do you think about this one? Let me know your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next lesson.